born Muslims, especially these days, there is a lot of effect. A child who is small, he has no external effects. Parents are telling him his faith. Whatsoever the faith of parents, this is the faith of a child. Once this child start thinking and processing and getting adult, puberty level, now he has also exactly same pressure what a reverted Muslim has. He has to go through the same problem, and in the school, and while he's studying different subjects, his faith is getting into challenge. Once his faith is getting into challenge, he start thinking, is it the right, is it because of my parents, or this is our culture, is really God exist? There are so many people, they are atheists, there are different people, they have different faith, so he start questioning himself in his heart because of the challenge, external challenges. So this is something process started from the puberty or even before, but at puberty this is mandatory because now he has to have this faith. If he do not have proper faith, Iman, iqrarun bil lisan and tasdeequn bil qalb, firm faith, he is kind of like fluctuation his Iman. So Mufassirin also said Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is commanding Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu aminu billahi wa rasuli, that believers, you have to have a firm belief on Allah and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. See, once he has this firm belief on Allah and Rasulullah, then he will do amilu salihat, amanu wa amilu salihat. If he don't have any, if he don't have this firm belief in his heart, and the fluctuations are going on, and if he is in a halat of doubts, so it's like we do not consider like he is out of Iman at that time, but at least he is near losing his Iman. And as we mentioned, the most damaging thing to the heart of anybody is the losing the Iman, having the shirk and kufr. So if a person lose this Iman, his heart will get completely dark. It's like a zulumat, complete zulumat. And in Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he mentioned these zulumat are so dark, just like a person who is deep into the ocean, and the waves of oceans are rising again and again, and at the same time there are clouds on the sky and they are dark in color. So imagine what will be the darkness in the depth of the ocean. If he want to see his hand, he will not gonna able to visualize. So that kind of darkness gonna appear on the heart. That means this heart is completely sealed at that time.